Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Kriti Gupta on a morning with oil stocks in particular on the move. Kriti, following all the developments in the Middle East. Good morning.
Good morning, Nathan. An absolute collapse in oil prices this morning. You are seeing a drop of something like 11% in just two sessions. This, of course, coming after the announced ceasefire by Donald Trump, one that is still kind of getting worked through in terms of the dynamics there. But what that's doing to oil is continuing to price out that geopolitical premium. That's a lot of fancy talk for saying some of the oil stocks that we traditionally watch that have been rallying in the last couple of days are actually reversing their move this morning. And let me give you some examples, Nathan. ExxonMobil, Chevron, your top two major U.S. oil companies taking a hit this morning. Exxon, for example, the ticker is XOM, down about 1%, trading at $110 a share. A similar story for CVX, which is the ticker for Chevron. Shares down about 0.9%, trading just shy of $146 a share. It's not just the oil names, though. You're seeing a little bit of a reversal in some of the other commodity names. I think Newmont Gold is a great example, given that risk premium is coming out of those gold prices as well. NEM is your ticker there, trading at about $58 and change, down about 2%. You're seeing some of the other oil-exposed names see a reversal as well. We should also talk about the defense bid, because you did see in the last couple of days that a lot of the defense stocks had also moved to the upside in line with that oil move as well. That letting go of some of their momentum as well. So Lockheed Martin at the top of that pack, LMT down about 1.4% this morning, trading at $466 a share. Again, it had been one of the movers to the upside in the last couple of days. Another one is RTX. It is officially known as RTX now, but formerly known as Raytheon, another major defense contractor, down about 1.5%, trading just shy of $144 a share. I should just mention to our global audience, when I talk about defense names, I'm actively leaving Boeing out of it simply because they are dealing with a different set of issues and trading on different kinds of news flow, not the defense story. So Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are the two you really want to keep an eye on in terms of the individual moves. And those are actually your downside movers, Nathan. It is a risk positive day everywhere else. And I think that's really crucial because tech is leading the upside. We're going right back to the normal mantra in these markets. So take a look at NVIDIA, AMD, Tesla's. Your normals kind of favorites are the ones leading this market, including two key names that I mentioned yesterday, which is Fiserv, FI, which again is not a company we talk about, Nathan, but it's now the second day that the pre-market is moving this in a very, very big way. Higher by about 6% this morning, trading at about $180 a share. It looks like the latest news there is that MasterCard is partnering with them on stablecoin adoption. That was what their idea of offering a stablecoin product moved the market yesterday. Now MasterCard in line with those earnings. MA is your ticker for MasterCard, trading at $557 a share, higher by about 3%. And those are actually your two biggest, highest volume movers to the upside, Nathan. So seeing plenty of movement there.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.